Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw an adorable little kitty cat. That's right, we're going to draw a kitty cat step by step. Kitty cats are cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yeah! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start with the cat's ears. Let's start by drawing a round curvy line. Next, let's connect the two sides with a curved line for its face. If you like, you can have really big face or really small face for your cat. Let's draw in the body of the cat. Let's not forget the cat's tail. Of course, I'm going to add in some curved lines in the front for the cat's feet. Next, let's draw in our kitty cat's eyes. You can choose to draw larger eyes if you like. Now, let's draw a mouth and some whiskers. Isn't it so cute already? You can also add in some eyebrows to help the cat better express its emotions. I'm going to add a little bird friend on its head. Doesn't it look fantastic already? Now that we've finished the outline, I think we are ready to color. I'm going to start by coloring the bird on its head. Next, I will color in the cat, but my cat will have two different colors. Which colors should I use? Let's have a spotted orange cat. I will color in some patches of orange for my cat throughout its body. You can choose to make those patches in the form of shapes too. Maybe stars or even heart shapes. Feel free to change up the little cat's color and use other colors besides orange. Maybe a purple or even a rainbow kitty cat. You can also repeat this drawing again and do a whole family of cats. You can have a mommy cat and some more baby cat as well. Up by adding some pink to kitty cat's ears and some blush to its cheek. Wow, look at our amazing little kitty cat. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as a sun or a rainbow. Use your imagination and fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the little kitty cat. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice, so keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.